Hello everyone. Have you ever experienced Nova effect? I guess certainly yes. Well, the name comes from today's story, the Nova effect, the tragedy of good luck or the blessing of bad luck. One evening, Eric is taking his dog, Noah, for a walk in the park. As they stroll and enjoy the breeze, a rabbit springs out of the bushes. Noah reacts like any other dog and starts running after the rabbit. Since Eric is lost in his thoughts, while this happens, he fails to hold the leash attached to Noah on time. A few minutes later, the rabbit hides in the burrow while the Noah has lost track of where he or his owner is. Eric has no clue. He waits there for some time and then returns back. Eric spends the next few days looking for his dog. He informs people in the area, the neighbors, the police authorities, and the animal rescue squad. He even puts up signboards and advertisement in the newspaper to no avail. Eric is devastated about losing his dog. He wonders why did the rabbit have to jump exactly when he was around causing him to lose his dog. A week later, Eric has almost lost all hope when a doorbell rings. When he opens the door, there stands a woman, and along with her is what Eric has been looking for the last couple of weeks, his dog Noah. Both Eric and Noah exchange a warm display of affection, and the lady who brought the dog home introduces herself as Vanessa. Eric and Vanessa start talking, and one thing leads to another, and over the next few weeks, they even start dating. The rabbit jumping from the bushes seemed like a curse when he lost the dog, but now it seemed like a blessing. Eric thought in his mind. One day, Vanessa invites Eric to meet her parents. Eric dresses up in his best suit, purchases a beautiful bouquet from a nearby florist, and starts driving towards her house. En route, at intersection, a truck shows out of nowhere and rams into the side of his car before he can even react. The next thing, he finds that he is in the hospital. When Eric regains consciousness a few days later, he thinks, what a tragedy of good luck and bad fate. Earlier I was enjoying the benefit and now I am suffering. The rabbit incidents run through his mind again, and he thinks, if not for the rabbit, he would not be lying on the hospital bed today. Now the doctor comes. The doctor asks Eric, I have a good news and a piece of bad news. What would you like to know first? Not knowing what bad news to expect, Eric says, I would like to hear the bad news first. The doctor continues, we found something in your brain. Distressed. Hearing the news, Eric shivers in bed. The doctor goes on. The good news is that this has nothing to do with your accident. You escaped with only few fractures. But because we were scanning your head for internal injuries, we noticed a tumor in your brain. Such a tumor only gets detected when it goes active, which in most cases turns out to be too late. In your case, it is not malignant yet, which means we can safely get rid of it. Holding his hand, the doctor says, Eric, come on, this accident saved your life. The words from the doctor make Eric seem like the tides had turned again. If not for the rabbit incident in the park, he would have never known about his tumor. Eric realizes how certain minor events can create a significant impact on a person's life. Well, the major takeaway from this story is what we shrug off as insignificant can shape our lives for good, but we ignore the little improvements we can do, which make an immense impact in the long run. Do you remember your Nova moments? Do share in the comment box. Wishing you a great day. Thank you.